Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 20th of June 2024. Since yesterday it was a bank holiday, so we didn't see any movement around this area. The price was stuck for a long time and it didn't make any movement like from 825 to 760. It's not even $100 of movement. So anyway, we'll start from fresh today. Let's see what the market has for us. I'll make a quick markup as every time. This is now on the daily chart, daily time frame. I'm going to remove all the previous drawings from before. All right, so you can see the price has been stuck at this level. It's not able to break above. It's not able to close above this area. And if we scale back to the 4 hours, we can wait. Yeah, if we still scale back to the 4 hours, we can see that the price is around this area. It's a kind of support for now. We can see that the price has been ranging for like 2 days around this area. So since from 2-3 days the price has been ranging around this area. So it's a very difficult situation here. It's consolidating. There is no clear trend, there's no clear movement. We cannot say that the price is bullish, or we cannot say that the price is bearish, since the bearish momentum got rejected from this area of interest here, and since then we have been moving up. But as long as the price remains under this area, it's considered as a selling opportunity. But we will see how it goes. We will see what the market has for us today. So we will quickly scroll to 1 day and see the markups. Here is the all-time high, right? So let's see. This area can also be an area of support for short term. So as you can see, the daily time frame, this candle here, it's trying to push up the price, but the price keeps getting rejecting from this point of area, which is like 38,900, which is also a key level. Scroll back to 4 hours, we can see that the price has managed to close above this area today in the morning in the London session, but it quickly got rejected from this area as well. But as long as the price remains under above this area of support, we can still look for buys. But if this support gets broken in a 4 hour, or we'll see how it is in a different time frame. Let's see. In 1 hour, we can say the point of support is here, right? In 30 minutes, let's see where is the price in this area. But if you take some confluence of the trend line, you can see the price has broken again for short term. And this area here, right here, can also be a support for now, for the price to gain any bullish momentum back up again. So in 15 minutes, we see that the price is still holding around this area, and it's a kind of imbalance here. As you can see, the price has got some imbalance left, so maybe it has came here to fulfill the imbalance, and it will try to go back up again. But we will see in the lower time frame. In 5 minutes, it looks like complete rejection from here, and then there's a huge candle right here again. So very difficult situation for US30 since the past few days. I was looking forward for a good week this week, but the momentum here got stopped by some supply area around here. It got the momentum very well. You can see the price started going up very well. Look, the price started going up very well, but it got stopped from the supply area from here. So we will just keep these things in account for a better understanding. I'll place the trend line for confluence. As you can see that the price has got this level of support here. In 30 minutes the price is trying to recover, in 15 minutes as well, but something is going on in 5 minutes. We need to see a break above this area out here. We need to see a break above this area out here and a break above this area out here, so that we could look for some buys. But let be it, we will see how the bank candle gets open. For now, we'll just leave the price doing its thing. Not a good week for me, not gonna lie. I've been having a losing streak since a couple of days, but that is okay. That's the part of the game, that's the part of the work. So we'll just keep doing it, we'll just keep showing, we'll just keep showing up every day. Being consistent is the key. Let's see what's going on in Nasdaq. Wow, look at this huge wick. It almost broke 20,000. Crazy, man. Maybe it's looking for imbalance to take from this area. So that be it. Not going to touch Nasdaq on this channel. This channel is only for US30. Look, this area out here can also be a point of support, you know. As long as the price remains above this area, we can opt for buying opportunities. But let's see how it goes. I will look for the 5 minutes zone to see if we can get any zone. So I will put up a markup around this area of 5 minutes. This can be a good opportunity for buying around this area here, but at the same time you can see the bearish impulse has been really hard, and this is the trend line support. So if this breaks, it's gonna be a gamble. I mean, if you went around this area for buy, it's gonna be a gamble. As long as you don't get any confirmation, I would not suggest any buying. But at the same time, people place buy orders, put their stops below this area around here. But let's see what the market has for us today. This account is in minus 856. It's a 100k live account, which does its own thing. It doesn't let me open some trades when I want to. It doesn't let me do what I want. It's always a mess. So let's see how it goes today. I've marked the area for imbalance here, and the area of zone. I'm gonna mark the area of imbalance with some other color because it confuses me every time. Something more authentic, like darker here, or maybe this, or maybe this. This is fine. There's no upcoming news today. Everything happened at 2:30. All the news came out. Sometimes US30 does these things. It gets stuck in one place and it doesn't give you any opportunity, any clear direction, like how this is going on since the past few days. Look, I want the market to be like this, to be one direction, like directional. If there is no direction, I can show you my trades when I was clearing out my FTMOs. I got in here many times, like it was all most of the trades were buy oriented, all right? From here, I got stuck in here for a while, and then all the trades were buy oriented, all of them. And then when I saw the price action in a bigger time frame around this area, I changed my bias to sell. So I've been selling all this time. here. And then there's something called consolidation which happened when it broke. I like to see something like this, like this or like this, not this consolidation period. It's very, very bad. It's not good for me at all, not good for my trading at all, because I just hate this consolidation phase. It, it, it takes many stops. This has not happened for the first time. I can share you my trade history from my other accounts from before. There is a period of time where US30 just wants to take your stops, only stops. Every day it just pisses you off. But at the end, if you are working with a good RR and a good strategy, and if you stick in one strategy, if you be patient, consistent, all the stops that you had, it will be cleared out in just one or two trade. If you get a 3 hour trade two times, that's 6 hour. If you had 4 hour this week or 3 hour, you will still be in profit. So that's how it is. Never get scared of losers. Never get scared of losses. If sometimes you lose, it's okay. That's the part. But I'm not here to give you lectures. I'm here to trade. So I'll just try to find my trade within 20 minutes, 15 minutes, because the bank is gonna get open in 8 minutes. I will see what it has for us today. I'll run my zones around here, this area, and I would like to see a break above this area here. Anything after the bank candle, not before. It's very tempting for me to just buy here, by seeing this kind of rejection from this area. It's making me buy, and you can see the 15 minutes also came out bullish, but I'm not gonna buy because I have paid the price for this many times, not just one time. It has been many times with me, so I'm just gonna wait. This 5 minute looks really good, but it needs to clear this area out here. I think which is done already. 15 minutes look really good, but it all depends on the 5 minute candle after this. We'll be waiting for two more candles. Something like this around this area here. This area here. After the 15 minutes, we have good stops. Let the candles get close and then we'll see. If this price today breaks above this area, we can switch our hopes from getting stuck to a really good trade around this area. All right. I need the price to break below this zone, break above this zone, and then I would like to enter in a retracement. But not in this candle. We'll wait for the candle for 15:30. Look, in the last 10 seconds it will do something possible. Even if it gets out of here, we will have enough area to buy. As long as the price is above this, we can look for buy. Otherwise we go south. Simple as that. Wow, that's the liquidation going on. Wow, let me see. I need a break below. I need a closing. If it doesn't close below, nothing is fine. Oh, see, no, it hasn't closed below. We'll wait for this candle to close. Wow, Let's see what it has. We'll wait for closing. We'll be very careful on the reversal from here, because this is again a support, because that's what happened to me last time. This area of support, it's very hard for me to enter for a sell, having to see this area of support, because people can buy from here. Look, this is what happened here, from last few times. It was maybe just some liquidity taking buy orders from the bottom. Be very careful with this. I don't care about the 1 minute candle. All I care is for 5 minutes. But still, I would not sell. I would not sell at this point. Let me see here in 1 hour. I would not sell. Still not sell. Because this area is a very conflictive zone. People are buying at this zone. As you can see, the price has been shooting up from here. Just patiently wait. I will wait for this zone to break for any buy orders. I have bought. Right, I bought. I'm gonna modify my order. Put the stops. $339 around here. 339. 40. I'm gonna put 790. Order here. Buy at 830. Stops 38. 790. Modify. It's almost 1 hour. It gave almost 1 hour, but we will wait to see. I'm not closing or anything right now. Very conflictive zone, as I said. Look, the price went up this high, and I don't know. It's getting some sells from here. You know, very bad. Doesn't look good to me. Look again. I think I executed a bit before because it didn't close above this properly. Very conflictive, but I will have to take my chances. So it's all right. Not going well. This one. Look, this candle doesn't look good with the 5 minutes. Oh no, I gotta close this if it comes back up. Only if it comes back up. Very bad. This was really bad, dude. Seriously. I don't know what's going on in this area. Maybe I am doing something wrong. Of course, I think I'm doing something wrong because I need to stop trading as long as the price breaks this zone. This zone is really bothering me so much. Let's look in the bigger time frame. I mean, why? Look at the 4 hours closed so well. I don't know why the price is doing like this. I don't know why it's behaving like this for nothing. Everything seems good, it looks like the price has broken above this level here, came for a retracement, took some orders, should go up. Yeah, should go up, right? Need to see how this candle closes. Very crucial point here. This is a huge rejection, here. makes me feel like closing the trade. I have closed on one of my account on BE. Rest I'm gonna leave this one's running because I don't really care about this broker. I'll hold in some of my account. I'll close in one of my accounts. I just want to have a buy so that we could scale at least 3-4 hour around this area. Because if you see in the line chart, you can see that okay, the price has rejected from here. It's very obvious. So I think these long weeks are useless. I think we can just go for 1 hour on this trade and just get out from it. Or if you guys want to hold for like big big buys, you want to hold for a bit longer, because look, the moment it breaks this area right here, it's gonna be inevitable for the price to keep pumping up. you know I'm not gonna be greedy, but at the same time I have to think about the other possibilities. you know like in 15 minutes, in 4 hours, it looks so good. It needs to close above this area. I want to see a closure above this area. Look, 7 seconds remaining on a 5 minute candle. I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna put my stops in my entry point at least 8:30. 8:30. I'm gonna put my stops in the entry point. I think it has broken the supply zone here. I'll target for at least this area next, which is gonna be potentially, what the hell is going on? Oh no. So we're gonna be targeting for, I'm gonna close some of it. I've closed all right. I've closed my position. I've closed all my positions. Not bad. What's up with this stupid account? Like still 200 in minus. Wow. The moment I closed, here you go. So it was potential 2 hour, but since this area is a week and I don't really trust the wicks, I mean, it's okay, but I don't really trust these wicks because it's a liquidity that price goes up and take it. So I think I did close around 9:15, like where it is right now, around this area, but it's okay. I mean, yeah, it's okay. This trade is I'm not gonna use the F word, but it has got a really good potential here. You know, it could go flying up till here. You know, we got a good trade, and I'm gonna share you my tradings today. At least we recovered. I'm not gonna say that we are in profit, but we recovered. So it's good that we did something. And if you check my histories, look, 559 and then 420 recovered this 977, then these two three trades got open on itself, you remember, and this one was, it didn't allow me to open, then I had to put a huge stop loss because my the point of the trade was too high. And then these two trades I did the scalping. This we hit the stop loss yesterday. This was the trading for yesterday in the morning, and this was the stop loss from yesterday. Wow, this trade was really good. I should have held it, but it's okay. No regret. At least we recovered some losses from before. But oh shit, this is private. I didn't see it. My God. Oh, then maybe probably all my videos are private because I never stop to think about it. I don't check this channel. So anyway, if you guys can take a look on the strategy that we used here. Well, this candle at the first place here around this area, this one, it scared the shit out of me because it was a very bearish hammer, you can say. All right, so well, anyway, the price here is 69.5 hour. I took this trade on this one 1.5 hours 69. So all of my trade were 1.5 hour. One look, I closed one before, so I'm gonna share the three accounts that I have for now. So you can see that I have taken 1.5 hour on each trade. In one trade I have taken almost 2 hour, but it's okay because I don't rush the wicks. I wanted to just get 1 hour in here, but at the same time, you know, wanted to hold a bit. This thing is gonna keep going up, you know. So I can show you the trades. I can show you the trades from today. This right here, then no, this right here, and this right here. Well, we got out very early. As you can see here, the price has been going up. It's going to the target that I have decided before. I don't know if you guys are holding, but it was a potential. Look, this area 3.26 hour, but I know, to be practical, I didn't want to hold that far because I wanted to I wanted to be sure that if the price would keep going up or if it's gonna get rejected, and I didn't want my trade to hold on any retracement because it's a very crucial area here, could be a sell as well. But overall, the price action was very good. It scared a bit when this candle here closed like a bearish hammer around this one, but at least we hold the trade to almost 2 hour. As you can see, I could share my trading history in this ones. Well, as you can see that This one here was almost 2 hour 880. This was 1.5 hour, and this was 1.5 hour. Since it's a 2000 a 200,000 account, this is this is 100,000, this is 100,000. So this 1.2 1.5 hour means 1,500, 1.5 hour here means 750. It's almost 2 hour, which is 880 euros. So we done for today, and we'll see how the price keeps going up. Should have held this trade, my god. So I'll explain you my trade, why I took this trade and how I took this trade. To be very clear, I will just remove all these things here from here so that you guys can understand the concept that I used to execute, to do a market execution here. So that was this was my area, this was my zone that I was looking for a breakout. Look, as what happened last time, I sold before getting to see if the 5 minute candle closed below the level, like it happened here, and I had to hit a stop loss. So it's always good to see if the 5 minute candle is, if it closed below your area or no. So as you can see here, in 3 minutes you can see that the price has already closed below, but I don't trust this little time frame because it's very manipulative. I trust only 5 minutes or 15 minutes. In 15 minutes I don't execute, because in 15 minutes it's very hard for the price to come and take the retracement. You have to keep waiting for hours. So what I saw here, a bullish impulse of the in the market, and it canceled like these two candle here. All right, these two, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candle here, plus this was my zone as I marked before. It closed slightly above my zone, slightly, slightly, not too much but slightly. But since I saw that the week to week entries around here, I wanted to wait to enter around this area, but I didn't want to miss this beautiful buy. So I did the market execution around 840, and due to some delays, as you can see here, I was not able to execute quickly. I had to execute at 55, otherwise this account would have been at 2200 or something. Yeah, I executed like $15 later, because I mean, I have to you know do many things at the same time. So sometimes I just get tangled up with my accounts. So anyway, so I saw this bullish impulse in the market in 5 minutes, and I saw that this area got invalidated, and then I quickly entered around this area. I did the market execution, but one thing was bothering me, which was this area around here, this area around here. So I was not very sure of this trade, but I saw the bullish impulse was very good, so I decided to enter. So anyway, the price got here and got rejected. If you see in 15 minutes, you can see that there is one area around here which is kind of sell area, the resistance, you can say. And the same thing happened. The price went back up here. Wait, this area, I will mark it up properly. This area was acting as a resistance zone, so the price went up here, got rejected. As you can see, it got rejected from here and came back to hit my stops. But as I entered in a very right position, my stops were safe. Well, but it was not under the wick, but still it was okay. So the price went up, got rejected. This hammer here like scared me. I thought that I should just get out from the trade, but then I scrolled to see what's going on in the lower time frame. In the 3 minutes, I saw that it got rejected from here in a very well from this zone. As you can see, the price, I don't really trade, I don't really execute on smaller time frame, but I would like to check what's going on when I'm in the trade, or if I'm just watching the market. Because in 3 minutes you can see the price came all over here, but it got rejected very well in a bullish form, and then it started to pick up the orders. And you can see in 1 minute as well, the price came here, fill the imbalance which was left here around this area. It filled the imbalance very well, and this bullish candle in 1 minute, it gave me some hope, but I wanted the price to break above this area, and this bullish candle was still okay, and then it shooted up. So if you see in 3 minutes, the price shooted up really well, and then in 5 minutes you can say the price also acted very well, but I was a bit insecure around this area because I wanted it to break. But at the same time, you can see the wick here, this wick, it holds some liquidity, so maybe I thought the price came here to get some sell orders and then it might go down, which can be the case. And you can see the price is getting exhausted from here, so all the way up to 1.6 R. Here I got out from my trade, and you can see in 15 minutes the price is getting rejected with a huge long wick. In 30 minutes as well, in 1 hour, 1 hour seems very bullish as long as it closes above this area. It's very important for to us to see if this candle closes above this area. Look around this area, because all the closing that has happened was below this and then below this. So we'll see how the 1 minute 1 hour candle gets closed. But overall, the price, I think it's very bullish, because if you see in the 4 hours, I've removed all the drawings so that you can see it properly. In 4 hours, you can see there's only 29 seconds left for the candle to close. So if the candle, wait, let me just remove all of this. So if the candle closes above this zone, it's very good, it's good, and it could give us some hope for buying opportunities, because as long as the price was consolidating around this area, we got stopped out for two times, 3 times. So no, 2 times. So this area around here was consolidating. As soon as it broke above, look, I told you the areas of consolidations are not for me, are not for my strategy, because the price, it I target for 2 or 3 hour, 2 or 3 hour minimum. I don't want to take 1 hour. As you can see, I've never I don't take most of the times. I try to at least take 1.5 at least, or I put my stops in the entry. So you can see the price here. It got stopped me here around this area a couple of times because the price was consolidating. I like the price to move. US30 is like volatile, like wild, so I would like to see the price moving very well, and that's what happened today. We saw that the price here, look, we saw that the price here around this area was holding very well. As you can see, the confluence that I made before the trading day today, look, the confluence that I made was something like this, the trend line. All right, so this was the confluence that attracted me, because this area was very good. You can see the price has been holding up in this area, and then here. So my point of interest was this area. All right, so I made a zone before, as I shared my analysis with you guys on live. I made my zone here around this area. I wanted the price to go above, break above. All right, so the price broke above this area around here. You can see that this area, the price broke above, and then it came back. And since our stops are always $50, so always $50, so it was quite safe around here, and then it skyrocketed. Like, look, the price closed here, and then it kept on moving back up. So it was potential 3R, I would say 2.8R. So 3 hour. But oh, look here, the wick is around this place. I want to see where the hell the wick is. All right, you can see the difference in the price here. You can see the difference in the price in both of the charts. But anyway, so the reason I closed before, the reason I closed to 1.6 R was 1.5 R or 1.6, whatever you want to say. I closed around this area because I was not sure about this week, since it holds some liquidity, and since there are some sell orders, you can say, look, the price is trying to make lower low here. In 1 minute time frame, you can see the price has already broken this area. Well, I'm not saying that the price is gonna reject and keep going down, but I don't want to I don't want to hold it for long, because we need to see again the clearer idea of US30. As we can see, the 1 hour has invalidated this zone here, this area here, and it's good for us. So we will see, let the price do its thing today. We will see what the price does. Maybe it will go around this area and then get rejected, or whatever it does. We will just keep an eye. The moment we see that the price is above this zone here, right here, we will be I will be very convinced to, just buy until this area around here. So overall, it's a good week. I mean, I would not say it's a profitable week yet, because I hit 2 stop losses. So I'm gonna be looking for more trades, the A plus setups next day, tomorrow. Until then, I will have to leave. So if you guys have taken this trade, and if you guys are holding, you could, I don't know, maybe 3 hours is enough, right? Just like 3 times of your investment, 3 times of your risk. But if you guys want to keep holding up, if you guys see really good potential of buy, then it also makes sense the price could reach up here, which is 6 hour almost. So anyway, so guys, have a good day. I hope you learned something from here. I'm not providing any signals. I'm not asking you to execute with me. Just see the idea. If you were convinced, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I am on Telegram. My Telegram ID is on my YouTube channel. So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Ciao.